it's your boy Joey. We are in the old bedroom. Don't look too close. It is pretty gross in here. It's been neglected, and with the basement flooding and water leaks in the walls and all that, this room is not happy. And a couple years ago, because of Justin, the basement flooded about 4 inches because of the sump pump, and there's crazy rain and all sorts of things. So you'll see like this green box here, that's all pretty much water destroyed. Thankfully these cookbooks were all on top of it. But we're here to talk about cookbooks. I had so many of them. That yellow tub, the new ones I got, and then I had at least 2 large things in the garage full of cookbooks, and I want to get a place to put them all. But the thing I came here to talk about right now are these. There's 15. I'm missing 2. I think there's one right there. And I don't know how many other cookbooks and magazines are in that pile of books. Oh, well, something's been in here. Let's move these so I don't have glass breaking all over. What was I saying? Something about cookbooks, these. Don't know how many are there. Whatever. But, let's keep it on my face. I'll show you the cookbooks I have in the camper. They're the main ones I'm going to learn to, or use to re-teach myself how to cook. Use the tools that I have, because it's been 4 years now since I've worked in a kitchen. And I haven't really been cooking for myself because it's a lot of work. And I just don't like doing that much work, so I eat bachelor chow, things like a frozen French bread pizza, a can of beefaroni from Chef Boyardee, things like that. Super easy. But anyways, these are really cool. Well, you can tell they're old. Look at that. Not sure what that one is. But look at that. That's definitely old. You can tell this is old because the jars, they're really cool. Are those noodles? Is that macaroni and cheese on a scale thing? That's really weird. This is interesting. Yeah. But yeah, they're all super interesting. They're all from the 70s. 73, it looks like. And my plan is like this guy on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, I forget his name. I'll put a picture here or there and linky below. But do random recipes out of here, especially these old ones, and random recipes out of my other books, and see how they turn out, and eventually make my own cookbook. Yeah, because there's just so many cookbooks in there. Mom was a shopper, and books was something she really liked to buy. Thankfully, a lot of them were cookbooks, because I like cookbooks. Anyways, I'm going to get those off the ground and get to the camper, and I'll show you the other cookbooks. Alright, we are back in the camper. These are the main ones I'm going to use. I don't really know how to cook fancy stuff with cast iron, but I love it. So I was gifted 2 of these, or maybe I found this one in the house. Maybe Dad? I don't remember. But I got 2 of those. We got 2 Instapot ones because I don't know how to use all these functions, and I've never pressure cooked anything. We got the crock pot one because I was using the old crock pot. I think this was one I found in the house. Again, I don't know. But I love Mexican food. I love both of these, and I love Asian food. The 2 things I really love in these is we come in here, and this one, that's not it. Where's the page? This one. It goes into the different chilies they use and why they use them, and herb spices, show you some pictures, some other ingredients, and The equipment they use, time savers, different techniques in this one, things to make things easier. Subbing, this is a big one. It'll tell you these are different store ingredients you can sub in. Food processor, we got the mini one right there. Preparing sauces in advance. Slow cooker, this one. This is the biggest one because we're gonna do those in the Instapot. And you come in and they give you little tips like that. Substitution. Slow cooker, yeah, see? So I'm really excited for those. And the Asian one doesn't give you slow cooker ones, but like, same thing. Different things you can buy, reasons why they use it, or main things they have. A lot of weird things I never thought of, but there's also all the main things I like to buy when I go out, like beef and broccoli, orange flavored chicken, Szechuan beef, sweet and sour pork with pineapple. I know there's a couple more in here that I really like. But anyways, we're gonna start with those. Now let's get to the fun ones. And there'll be a lot more fun ones coming in. We had the copycat. This was some extra one Dad gave me. You will find out. But these two, I wanted them just because of my love of Warcraft and cooking. And back in the day, I had all but 2 recipes. And it's because I started the game too late, and one was removed, and one you had to be a different character class to get. Yeah, but these are really cool. This person has made other gaming cookbooks, and I think she did the Snoop Dogg one if I remember right. And they all sound really close to what they would be in game. Steaming goat noodles, Westfall stew. The second one is a little more better. There's drinks. For the game stuff. Little notes they put in, make it look like a used cookbook. And that's what I'm going to do with mine. But somewhere, I think it's the back. Drinks. Conversion chart is nice. I don't know, somewhere in here there was a pairings with the drinks. Make this food dish with this drink, but you know, super excited about this. And we got Home Assistant working. Now I just need to buy some Z-Wave things, mostly being plugs because, well, yeah, you can see it. The GE Sync is garbage and doesn't stay connected to anything. And I want to be able to like have my alarm and have it turn on the coffee maker. Sure, I could get a fancier coffee maker, and I hate this coffee maker, but I don't want to spend money on a coffee maker when I can get a plug for like 10 bucks. And this works well enough for now. And I want to get a bunch of other plugs. There's a smart energy watcher thing I'm gonna get that will go on my mains, which is this box here. And eventually, once I get the truck bed camper, start setting up solar, I will get energy monitors that monitor power coming in from solar, what's going out, what's coming in, monitor my batteries. I have a monitor on the battery in here, but the way things are, I can't see it, and I'm so very rarely using the 12 volt that I just don't care. And I was going to try and fix this, but like I said, I talked to Grant, and he's like, I don't know if I want the camper here. I want to move, possibly eventually someday. And I'm like, you know, even if I did leave the camper here as a spot for people to crash, And then shortly after we were talking, going through his house, and I was like, it's got spare rooms, it's got a giant living room with a couch. Don't really need that. But I was saying, even if he did move and I left the whole camper here, I would not make him responsible for it. I would come back to Michigan and deal with it. But I think we're going to strip this, use whatever parts I can on the truck bed camper, and turn this into a car hauler, flatbed car hauler. We could probably fit 2 cars on this. One, make a little ramp going up to the sleeping area, and then one on the back. But yeah, that's to see towards the end of the year. Anyways, I got some stuff to do. I'll have to get this edited, and yeah, I guess cooking with JoJo is really coming. Got some plans set up, and yeah, I don't know. Peace out.